Hi everyone, just a quick true story using home inventory I wanted to share with you today. So this weekend, doing household stuff, our refrigerator drawer that goes in the door broke again for about the fifth time after super gluing it several times. As you can see, lots of glue there. So I decided to finally bite the bullet and go ahead and look for a replacement part. So I got out Home Inventory Mobile Backup on my iPad. I was able to look up the part or look up our refrigerator very quickly, get the make, the model, and I was able to order the part that I needed very quickly. I had my iPad in split screen mode, so I was looking at the model and then searching Google for the correct information, found a great spot to shop to order it, and it's done. And that was so quick versus having to dig through drawers and find receipts or manuals that have the model number on it. So it was so simple, easy in Home Inventory Mobile Backup. I was also able to see that the extended warranty was still valid, was still working, and I had a link in the notes to the actual warranty so I could see right away if it was covered or not. Unfortunately, it was not. But I wanted to share that with you today, just another quick way that Home Inventory is helping us stay organized by keeping all the information about our stuff so we can get things done quick. Feels good to be organized. Bye for now.